conductivity of electrolytic solution. It means the property of flow of electricity. The property of flow of electricity through solution of electrolyte or its molten states or liquid state is called electrolytic conductivity. According to Ohm's law, the electric current, Ohm's law, the electric current I passing through electrolytic conductor is indirectly proportional to resistance R of the conductor. I जो है वो इनडायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके, R के. R क्या है यहाँ पे, रेसिस्टेंस. R है यहाँ पे करंट. तो सो I इक्वल्स टू V into 1 upon R. Here V is potential difference. Modify of this formula, V equals to IR. Here V in volt, A in ampere, and R resistance. Unit of R is ohm. Next topic है conductivity. Represented by C. Conductivity is reciprocal to its resistance. So C equals to 1 upon R, reciprocal. So C equals to 1 upon R and its unit ohm inverse. Unit इसकी होगी ohm inverse और Siemens या Simon. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है स्पेसिफिक रेसिस्टेंस और रेसिस्टिविटी. स्पेसिफिक रेसिस्टेंस जिसे हम रेसिस्टिविटी भी कहते हैं. रेसिस्टेंस R of electrolytic conductor is directly proportional to its length. And inversely proportional to area of its cross section. So by 1 and 2 R proportional L upon A. R equals to rho L upon A. Here rho is constant, which is called resistivity, and unit of its rho equals to R A upon L. Unit of R, rho equals to unit of R, ohm, area, centimeter square, and length, centimeter. Centimeter cancel by centimeter. So rho, unit of rho equals to ohm, centimeter or ohm meter. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टिविटी. By this specific conductivity is the reciprocal of specific resistance. So specific conductivity is represented by kappa, and specific conductivity is reciprocal of specific resistance. So kappa represent kappa Reciprocal of specific resistance, so kappa equals to 1 upon rho. Kappa equals to 1 upon rho. We know that rho equals to RA. Rho equals to RA upon L. So R upon A. Rho equals to RA upon L. So 1 upon R and L upon A. We know 1 upon R equals to conductivity, so 1 upon R equals to C conductivity and L upon A. Unit of kappa equals to, we know that unit of conductivity equals to ohm inverse and length in centimeter or meter and area in centimeter square or meter square. So unit of kappa equals to ohm inverse, centimeter cancel, so centimeter inverse. So unit of kappa equals to ohm inverse and centimeter inverse, or ohm inverse in meter inverse, or Siemens meter inverse. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है सेल कांस्टेंट. सेल कांस्टेंट इज द रेशियो ऑफ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स. द रेशियो ऑफ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स of a cell and area of cross section of electrode is called cell constant. Length between two electrodes, so L and its cross section area represented by A, cell constant represented by X, so X equals to length L upon its cross section area A. So X equals to L upon A. We know that kappa, specific resistance, we know that kappa equals to 1 upon R into L upon A. Kappa equals to, we know that 1 upon R equals to conductivity C. So and L upon A represented by X, cell constant. L upon A is cell constant, so L upon A represented by X. So kappa equals to cell C conductivity and X cell constant.